Millions of square feet of LPC flooring is in use across North America. It's a simple, low-cost, easy-to-install, low-profile access floor system that meets the most demanding building codes. LPC and LPC Plus adjustable webbing are interchangeable to even out depressions or transitions in floor levels up to 1.5 inches, eliminating the need for costly leveling of the subfloor or laser leveling pedestals. The proprietary Web9 steel pedestal system slim tiles enables LPC to provide the maximum clearance for cables at an overall height less than 2 3/4 inches or 70 millimeters, while also meeting all load-bearing standards for raised floors. Unlike cement and steel tiles, LPC tiles can be cut on site with standard woodworking tools. LPC's proprietary perimeter blocking provides exceptional support for cut tiles while also providing finished curbs on exposed sides. The low height of LPC and finished curb faces makes creating ADA-compliant ramps with lightweight concrete easy and inexpensive, in less space than higher floors.